Look, no one loves fireworks more than me, but a missile going boom in the wrong direction is a serious concern. It's not just about the missiles, it's about the potential for things to go very wrong. So buckle up, we're examining notable missile misfire incidents. Let's start with the good old US of A. In 1980, a dropped socket wrench in an Arkansas Titan II missile silo caused a fuel leak, leading to an explosion. The warhead was recovered, but it was a stark reminder of how simple errors can undo advanced technology. In 2021, a Trident II missile malfunctioned during a test in the Pacific Ocean. These incidents show that even with rigorous protocols, human error and technical glitches can creep in. Now let's hop over to Russia, a country that's no stranger to Cold War tension. In 1983, a Soviet early warning system detected 5 US missiles. It was a false alarm. Officer Stanislav Petrov decided not to press the big red button. In 2000, the Kursk submarine sank after an explosion. Over 100 sailors lost their lives. These incidents show the high stakes of nuclear weapons. So next time your internet goes out, remember, it could be worse. Let's be honest, when it comes to missile technology, North Korea isn't exactly known for its subtlety. In 2017, one of their missile tests went awry, with the missile exploding shortly after launch and raining debris down on their own territory. North Korea claimed it was all part of the plan, but let's be real, folks, even the most skilled pyrotechnicians occasionally have a firework fizzle out. This incident highlighted the technological challenges North Korea faces in developing reliable ballistic missiles. Despite the setbacks, North Korea remains determined to flex its missile muscles on the world stage. A nuclear-armed North Korea with unpredictable missiles is, to put it mildly, not ideal. India, a country that knows a thing or two about spicy food and even spicier geopolitical situations, also has a penchant for developing impressive missile technology. Case in point, the BrahMos, a supersonic cruise missile developed jointly with Russia. In 2018, it decided to take an unexpected detour during a test launch. Instead of hitting its intended target, the missile veered off course, prompting a swift investigation and a review of safety protocols. Thankfully, no one was hurt, and the incident was chalked up to a technical malfunction. It highlighted the importance of rigorous testing and constant vigilance when dealing with such powerful technology. Next, we travel to Israel, a nation that's no stranger to conflict and has invested heavily in missile defense systems, most notably the Iron Dome. Designed to intercept and destroy incoming rockets, the Iron Dome is often touted as a technological marvel. However, even the most sophisticated shields can sometimes have holes. In 2021, during a period of heightened tensions, an Iron Dome battery malfunctioned, failing to intercept a barrage of rockets fired from Gaza. While there were no casualties from the malfunction itself, it raised concerns about the system's reliability in high-pressure situations. The incident served as a stark reminder that even the most advanced missile defense systems are not foolproof. Finally, we arrive in Turkey, a country that decided to spice up its international relations by purchasing the Russian-made S-400 missile system, much to the chagrin of its NATO allies. The S-400 is a formidable piece of military hardware designed to shoot down aircraft and ballistic missiles with impressive accuracy. But, as Turkey soon discovered, operating a complex foreign missile system is a bit more complicated than assembling IKEA furniture. In 2021, during a test firing, the S-400 system experienced a technical hiccup, failing to perform as expected. The incident raised questions about Turkey's ability to integrate the system effectively. The S-400 incident underscores the complexities and potential pitfalls of integrating foreign military technology. So, there you have it, a whirlwind tour of global missile misfires. From dropped wrenches to glitching computers, faulty sensors to technical hiccups, these incidents highlight a sobering reality. Even the most advanced weapons systems are not immune to mistakes. These incidents underscore the critical need for rigorous testing and stringent safety protocols in missile technology. It's easy to dismiss these incidents as isolated events, but they serve as a stark reminder of the immense responsibility that comes with possessing such powerful weapons. Continuous improvement is essential to prevent potential conflicts and ensure the safety of both military personnel and civilians. Because when it comes to missiles, even the smallest mistake can have catastrophic consequences.